How to check old tweets on X. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check old tweets on X using search filters. It's really quick and simple. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the X app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom. And now here, once you are on the search section, simply tap on the search bar at the top. Now here we are going to use search operators to find the old tweets. So here you can simply search Elon Musk and simply hit search. And here you'll see all the tweets that have been posted by that users. So here you can simply tap on latest if needed, and here to narrow it down to the older tweets you can simply tap on the search bar again, and here you can simply type space since 2022, and here you can simply give a specification for it and search for it. And here, as you can see, the tweet will be posted of that time. And here, to narrow it down, you can also tap on the search bar again, and here you can simply type until 2023 slash 1212. Now, this is just an example. You can search it to your specification. And here, once you do that, now you'll only see the tweets from that specific date range. And that's it. That's how you can quickly search or view old tweets on X by using such search operators. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.